Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our program. Right at this moment before our eyes is a scene that would leave anyone who loves agriculture in awe. Across vast fields stretching all the way to the horizon, gigantic machines move forward with tremendous power. The steady roar of their engines and the massive wheels rolling slowly yet firmly across the ground create a picture that is both magnificent and deeply moving, reflecting the essence of modern agriculture. If viewed from above, you would see fields arranged neatly like enormous carpets covering the earth. Within this vast landscape, high-powered agricultural machines appear like diligent giants. They move forward with remarkable precision, cultivating every meter of land efficiently, caring for every row of crops, and harvesting every field at exactly the right moment. Few people may realize that behind every daily meal, behind every grain of white rice, and every abundant agricultural product on the market, lies a long journey of hard work, innovation, and technological advancement. Today, these machines stand as the clearest evidence of that progress. Please take a closer look at the harvesting machine moving through the field. Its cutting header operates continuously, gently gathering rows of crops into the processing system. In just a few short minutes, an area that once required many workers and long hours of manual labor can now be harvested quickly and efficiently. Every movement of the machine demonstrates a perfect combination of mechanical power and technological intelligence. What makes these machines truly remarkable is that they do not simply replace human labor, they are opening a new chapter for global agriculture. As the world's population continues to grow and food demand increases, the application of modern technology has become essential. These machines are helping ensure that agricultural land can produce higher yields, greater stability, and more sustainable results. Looking at this scene, we can clearly feel the dramatic transformation of the modern countryside. In the past, the familiar image was that of farmers bending over their fields from early morning until late afternoon. Those were days of demanding labor, heavily dependent on weather conditions and human effort. Today, with the support of machinery, that work has become significantly easier. Farmers are no longer simply manual laborers. They are gradually becoming production managers, individuals who operate advanced technology on their own fields. Ladies and gentlemen, as the machine continues moving forward, neat and orderly rows of processed crops can be seen behind it. This image evokes a very special feeling. It is not merely the result of an efficient production process, but also a symbol of humanity's aspiration to master nature through knowledge and creativity. Every successful harvest season carries countless hopes. It is the hope of farmers for a prosperous year. It is the hope of businesses for a stable supply of raw materials. It is the hope of millions of families for nutritious and high-quality meals. At the center of all these hopes, modern agricultural machines play an incredibly important role. You can clearly see the impressive scale of this equipment. Its enormous size, complex operating systems, and ability to work continuously for many hours make it one of the most remarkable achievements in agricultural engineering. However, its true value does not lie in its size. Its true value lies in its ability to serve people, helping farmers save time, reduce costs, and improve product quality. As sunlight begins to spread its golden glow across the fields, the landscape becomes more beautiful than ever. The rays, reflecting off the machine's metal surfaces, create a truly striking image. It is a moment when technology and nature seem to become one. On one side is the fertile land that has sustained humanity for thousands of years. On the other is the achievement of modern science and engineering. When these two elements come together, they create a force powerful enough to transform an entire industry. It is not difficult to see that the future of agriculture is being shaped on fields just like these. Automation systems are becoming increasingly intelligent, sensors are becoming more accurate, harvesting machines are becoming more powerful. Together, they are driving a quiet yet profoundly significant revolution. Perhaps the most valuable aspect of all is that technology does not diminish the value of farmers. On the contrary, it enhances it. Farmers remain at the center of all agricultural activities. Machinery is simply a tool that helps them make better use of the potential of the land, crops, and their own labor. And, ladies and gentlemen, as we witness these giant machines tirelessly working across the fields today, we are not simply observing a harvesting or planting process. We are witnessing a story of development, a story of innovation, and a story of humanity's relentless journey toward progress. Every turn of the wheels represents a step forward for modern agriculture. Every hectare of land cultivated efficiently is proof of the power of science and technology. And every abundant harvest is a well-deserved reward for the tireless efforts of those who have devoted their lives to the land and its crops. Amid the vast countryside, the sound of engines continues to echo steadily. The giant machines continue their journey. There, among the green of growing plants, the golden colors of harvest season, and the silver shine of steel machinery, a beautiful picture of modern agriculture unfolds before us, majestic, inspiring, and filled with hope for a more prosperous future for everyone. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us on this journey to explore the giant agricultural machines of the modern era. If you enjoy these impressive images of technology and modern farming, be sure to follow our program to continue discovering the fascinating developments taking place across the world's fields. Goodbye, and we look forward to seeing you again in future programs.